Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be talking about the excellent repair service that I had at Louis Vuitton store in Brazil. But first, let's talk a little bit about this lovely piece right here. This is a vintage Keepall 45 that was purchased by my mom in 1983. I think January 1983, yes, the year I was born, when she traveled to France. And then last year she decided to give it to me as a birthday present. So for me it was a great surprise because I know how much she loves this bag, and I also know it has been part of her history, and now this bag is gonna be part of my history. When she gave it to me, I decided to take to the Louis Vuitton store for some repair. I know that the leather condition outside was not the best. It wasn't that bad, but I know I could do some work on it. So I was talking to the manager and was very surprised on about the condition of this bag. The canvas was in such good condition that he couldn't believe. And he also told me that probably this is one of the first bags that Louis Vuitton started doing the date codes in early 1980s. So he made a very big report, and he wrote that it's a sentimental piece and please don't change the date code or some hardware parts that he told me not to touch. That could be this kind of hardware. He told me that it's hard to see in the bags nowadays, Louis Vuitton bags nowadays. So I was very happy with the report and the things that he told me about the bag. And also he told me that it could take up to 12 weeks, the repair, which, you know, for me, I didn't care, I don't mind. But then we had COVID and all the situation in the world, so it took more than 12 weeks, obviously. So last week I got a call from him, and he told me that the bag was ready for pickup, and now I'm gonna be able to show you how it looks like. He was so nice. He gave me this huge and massive box. I never saw a box like this before. And here's the bag. He also gave me this huge dust bag so I can keep my Keepall stuffed. And here are the papers. Usually when you do repair, they give it to you. And also the report he wrote. So let's open it up. So here it is. All the outside leather replaced with all the tags and everything. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what he told me about this bag. He said that this hardware piece right here, you will never see in a Keepall nowadays. It's they used to do it like this in the early 80s, but now they don't do it anymore. And then he told me, please don't touch this. Yeah, you have to keep this because it's rare. You'll never see anything like this nowadays. And also the zipper here. He told me just keep the way it is. Don't change the zipper. I could change that to put a new one. But he said that this one has the brand of the zipper. I'll try to show you guys. Hold on a second. It's right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. The name of the brand, it's Eclair. So the bags back in 1980s used to be with the zipper like this. So he told me keep it because it's part of the history of the bag. So you don't want to change this. And this Keepall is, you know, it's different because there's only one zipper pull and then you just close it and you lock like this PDs nowadays. So you just the padlock's right here. So I won't take it out right now, but I could. And then if you want to lock it, you just do it like this, and you put the padlock right here. And also, he was so nice. He gave me this clochette, so I can keep my key right here. That way, it's right here. So I'm never gonna lose this key. And all the pieces right here, they are all made in France. So that's why it took like forever, plus COVID, but more than 12 weeks. He told me that he was gonna have to ship this back to France so they could do the repair right there. And I'll show you. So I put my initials here, RN, and it's all a made in France piece. Right here, the luggage tag, I also put my initials, RN, and it's also made in France. And this, I don't know how you guys say that, this holder piece right here is also made in France. It's right here, yep. And as you guys can see, the canvas is perfect. And people say that the canvas, the old canvas, they are better than they are nowadays. To be sincere, I don't see any difference. I think they are all the same. But that's what most of the people say. Here's the tab. And then you just open like this. Oh, and also this part right here is made in France. And I put some old pieces inside just to keep the bag stuffed. But what I want to show you is how good it is inside. The fabric canvas here is in good condition, very good condition. And I also want to show you guys the date code. It's right here. So he told me that back in early 1980s, the date code used to be with 3 numbers, which means the first 2 numbers is the year the bag was made, and the 3rd number is the month that the bag was made. So it's right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see. I'll try to get closer. It's right here. 83-1. So it's January of 1983. It's right here. 8, 3, and 1. I think it's better, yeah. So I'm very happy with this, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna last another 37 years, maybe more than that, if it depends on me. And that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, just give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.